What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and another episode of Griffs Garage. And of course, you see me here with Jeremy, the man, the myth, the legend, the one that brings these visions to life. So today we're sitting here, we got a 2021 Chevy Trailblazer RS edition. Not just the regular, but the RS. It's a white and black contrast, which I'm kind of partial to, y'all know, because my Daytona is black and white, black. How do you want to say it? It's all the same. So Jeremy's been prepping over here. So what we got going on today?
Today we're doing another theme. It's going to be similar to the Transformer theme, but kind of with a twist. So it'll be, it's very similar to the one that we've done in the previous episode. To kind of stay with the same theme, but we took it and changed it up to make it kind of a one-on-one for this vehicle.
Gotcha. And it's all about being a one of one when you're at Griffs Garage. So you're not gonna take off down the street and you're gonna see somebody to pass you that looks just like you.
No.
Right? So that's the main thing, guys. But I'm gonna let my guy Jeremy get to work and transform this, play on words, you dig? Transform this Trailblazer. And of course, you guys are gonna see the install process. And then of course, you gotta stay tuned for the cinematic reel by Rellz, where I'm gonna put this movie together for you guys. So make sure you stay tuned and let's watch this install. What's up? Welcome back. Hey guys, we have finished this amazing job on this 2021 Chevy Trailblazer. It's the RS edition. So we got the owner Stephanie right here, and she's got this huge smile on her face right now, and I understand why, because of what's going on behind me here. And of course, it was my guy Jeremy, the man, the myth, the legend, that made this happen for her today, So, hey Jeremy, so what did we do? Let's give them some detail.
Well, so she wanted sort of a Transformers theme, and she wanted to name it Sidekick. So rather than do like the traditional Transformers, just the symbol on the side, she wanted to do something a little bit more decorative. So we kind of went with a tribal design with, obviously the iconic Transformer symbol. And then add something like the Transformer symbols throughout it to bring out some of the extra red. They also added the offset stripe on the front and the back. And then added the hash marks to go on the sides of it.
Cool. So now, Stephanie, what do you think about the transformation, pun intended, with your new Trailblazer?
It definitely makes it pop.
Yeah,
it
absolutely.
Is amazing, different from the picture. It just, I couldn't place it, but now it's like, wow.
It's different once you actually see it on the vehicle and you see what this guy can do, and make it happen. So I'm sure you're gonna definitely be turning heads out there. And you came from where?
Georgia.
So you came, I know they wrap cars in Georgia, they do vinyl in Georgia.
Yes.
But what made you come to Griffs Garage to get that?
Well, my brother and my sister-in-law, they did the Transformer on their Blazer, Ironhide.
Yeah.
And I fell in love with it. And I saw how great a job that Jeremy did. And I said, that's it. I've got to get him to do mine.
Hey, and it gives you a reason to take a trip to come down to North Carolina. So we appreciate you coming by Griffs Garage.
Oh, yes.
And, giving us a chance to, transform, like I said, pun intended, your vehicle. So we got Sidekick here.
Yes.
For those of you that don't know, the first episode of Griffs Garage was featuring Ironhide. So you got Sidekick and you got Ironhide. So when you see these Transformers rolling out, you know where they got to work from. They came to see my guy Jeremy over here at Griffs Garage. So guys, you know what time it is. So I'm gonna need you to take a second, go in the kitchen, get your popcorn and get your drink, because it's about to be a movie coming right up.